So here's my project for today. I haven't done a video in a while, but I'm trying my take on repairing like bondo work and painting. So I have this Tacoma bumper. It's a rear bumper off of a older, I think it's a 2006 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm trying to repair the paint. So I'm gonna right now I already sanded some parts, so I'm gonna do that. I know it's gonna take more than one day to do it. And yeah, I just want to show you like the process of what I'm doing. I know this might not be the right way. I'm not a professional painter by any means, but I'm just doing it for the experience. So first things first, I already started sanding the parts down, trying to get it as smooth as possible. So after sanding, I'll go into bondo, and then after bondo, I'll go ahead and sand it some more, and then paint once it's all ready, like smooth out everything. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next couple videos. So now I started with, I believe, 280 grit, and now I want to start using the 400 grit just to like smooth it over. I'm not even 100% done with sanding down, but that's what I'm gonna stick with, is the 400 grit for primer. Trying to get this piece. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to grind a little bit of the rust off, so that way I can smooth it out. But that's what my goal is right now. So I'm using the grinder, and then I'll get back on sanding uh, later. But that is the goal for today's video. Kind of just like do a little bit of prep work. Probably gonna work on it a little bit more, and then I'll show you the result for the day. So this is what I've done so far. There's still some shiny parts, shiny spots over here. Trying to make this one smooth, so I just grinded the paint off. This part right here, I need to grind some more just to level it out, and then I'll do some bondo work. This side is pretty much doled out. but I'm gonna go over it again some other time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video.